If you're looking to start a digital marketing agency, or you have a digital marketing agency that you want to grow faster and you're looking for something that you can sell more quickly and deliver more easily, I'm going to show you the best service that you can sell and deliver right now using GoHighLevel to add real value to your small business customers and get your revenue going faster. It's an easy service to understand. It's an easy service to sell. The price is right. And you don't have to be a marketing guru at all to be able to deliver on this service. In fact, you really don't need any experience at all. We can get you trained up and running to deliver this very quickly, and I'm going to show you how in this video. If you're not familiar with me, my name is Mike. I'm the founder of servicesthatscale.com. I have been selling to small businesses my entire career, and over the course of my career, I have built multiple multi-seven-figure recurring revenue service businesses. I was able to exit one of those businesses for a nice exit. And I share that with you just so you know that what I'm sharing with you today is based on real world experience and not just theory. And in full disclosure, I am one of GoHighLevel's biggest affiliate partners. And if you decide to invest in GoHighLevel or upgrade your GoHighLevel account through me, you will get access to my private community, a career's worth of training and resources to help you build a profitable agency and a scalable agency that you can actually enjoy and eventually be able to exit if you choose to do that. And in exchange for those things, I will get a commission from GoHighLevel. You'll see a URL down below here, as well as in the description of this video, where you can learn all about the bonuses that I provide for an investment in GoHighLevel through me. And if you have any questions, just ask them in the comments of this video or use the chatbot on my bonuses page, and myself or a member of my team will get right back to you. When you're selling to small businesses, it's incredibly important that you optimize for a couple of key factors. One is that it's got to be something that's fast and simple to sell. That means it's got to have a very clear value proposition, and it's got to be priced right so that the customer can understand it and make a quick decision. This is incredibly important because otherwise small businesses can drag on that decision-making process for a long time, and then the cost of selling to them simply gets too high to make your business really profitable. So we want services that are simple to understand, clear, compelling value propositions, and price points that are very attractive. We also need a service that we can deliver quickly without a lot of what I call time and talent. We don't want customized services that require us to have a lot of experience and skill set to deliver. We would rather deliver something that's based on technology and tools and automation, so that we can deliver it easily, set it up quickly, and have it deliver value without a lot of our own manual effort or having to hire talented people to deliver the services for us. Anytime we have to include too much time and talent in the equation, our costs go up, the business gets more difficult to run, and our profits go down. So we want services that are easy to deliver, based on technology, based on automation as much as possible. And that's what the service that I'm going to share with you is all about. If you're familiar at all with GoHighLevel, you know that that's what they are all about. They're rolling out these incredible technologies that we can use as agencies to design our services around to deliver to small businesses with a high degree of automation. So it's really changed the game in this industry. It's moved us away from those time and talent services to services that are based on assets and automation, which just gives us much higher margins and allows us to build a recurring revenue business that is a really nice lifestyle business because it does not require so much effort to add value to our customers. Now, they're always rolling out new features, new capabilities, which just gives us all kinds of new things that we can sell, but they're also really investing in upgrading their existing features. And sometimes those upgrades can make a massive difference in how sellable and profitable a particular feature is. And that's the case that's happened here recently with the feature that I want to share with you, and that is their chatbot. Their chatbot is now powered by AI, and that happened about 6 months ago or so, and it's been awesome. It's an incredibly powerful tool that you can build a service around, but they have enhanced it recently, which makes it even more powerful, more compelling, and gives you incredible options to sell as a foot in the door and have an upgrade path to make even more money. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. So first, let's talk about why a chatbot is easy to sell. If you talk with any small business owner, you will hear that they are overwhelmed. Part of that overwhelm is that they simply do not have the staff on board to be able to respond to their opportunities that they have, to respond to the prospects and customers that are contacting them and do it in a timely manner. And this is a huge drain of sales and profitability for these small businesses because they're working hard to create opportunities, whether that's by advertising their business or that's by just the hard work and hustle that they're doing to build their reputation and provide good service. And so if they are attracting attention, if they are attracting prospects and customers, but they can't get back to them, they are simply just losing business. And it's a huge problem. There are so many channels now that prospects and customers can reach out to small businesses that it's just sheer overwhelm. They can call you on the phone, they can text you, they can reach out through various social media channels. Small businesses don't have time to just sit and pay attention to all of those things. They're already just overwhelmed running their business. So that's what the chatbot can do for them. It can give them a simple, guaranteed way to make sure that they are actually responding to these inbound messages, these questions that prospects and customers have that lead to sales when they are answered correctly and answered in a timely manner. So it's a very clear value proposition. You can help them capture more of their existing opportunities and provide better service, close more deals because they are responding to people more quickly. It's very simple, it's very easy to understand, and it's incredibly high ROI because you can offer this service at a very attractive price point. What I recommend is that you have a $97 entry price point. $97 is a price point that any small business can afford. So it makes for a fast, easy decision because all they have to do is capture, in a lot of cases, just one new customer a month and they pay for that service many times over. Or let's say in a very simple retail business like a restaurant where the margins are lower, maybe they have to capture 10 to 15 new customers over the course of a month to pay for that service. Either way, it's very simple to demonstrate the ROI of what you're providing them. So as you can see, this service really delivers perfectly on our two key criteria, making this a perfect service to sell, to launch your business or grow your business right now. Now, you may have heard about HighLevel's other AI features. They have an incredible suite of AI capabilities that you can package up and resell to deliver tremendous value to your customers. So you may be wondering, why am I not mentioning those here? Well, it's not that I don't think that you should sell those. You absolutely should, but I believe that the chat is the easiest one to sell because it's got such a clear value proposition and is really simple to set up. Some of the other AI capabilities that HighLevel has are a little bit more complicated to set up, or say things like voice AI. The customer is going to be a little more particular about that voice and how specifically it responds. They're less particular when it comes to chat, and it's really easy to tailor those responses that the AI is providing in chat using the training capabilities of HighLevel to get it dialed in really quickly. So I absolutely believe that you should be selling the entire suite of AI capabilities that HighLevel has to most of your customers, but I recommend that you do that as a simple upgrade path after having got your foot in the door using this chatbot service. So let me show you some of the key features that make the AI chatbot so simple to set up in HighLevel and to deliver incredible value. You can see right here, I have set up just a general support bot. You could set up multiple bots for customers, and this is a way that you can upsell your service. So again, I mentioned starting at a $97 price point for a simple bot, a single bot for a business. But once the business sees the power of this, you can set up multiple bots for them. So you can have a bot that helps them with support. You could have a bot that helps them with sales. And you can train these bots in different ways to accomplish different goals. So you can use those capabilities to upsell your services to say from a 97 to a 197 or 297 price point and increase that recurring revenue. But you can see here, this is a general support bot that I've created. You can turn it to suggestive prompts within a chat window. So if you actually had a live human being that was interacting with people and you wanted the AI to just kind of help support that person, you could do that. Or you could just put it on autopilot and let the chat do its thing using AI, which is what most small businesses are going to want to do because they simply don't have the staffing for the suggestive alternative here. But next you can see that this chatbot can work with multiple channels. So this isn't just a chat widget that you can set up on their website. The bot itself can also work SMS, Facebook. There's the chat widget you can have. You can have it interact with Instagram, chat, WhatsApp. So you've got all kinds of different options that you can provide here so that, again, this small business can now start capturing these conversations and opportunities no matter where they're coming from. You can fine tune some of the things in terms of how quickly it responds and when it will start to time out so that it feels more natural and more human. And then if you go into the bot training here, you're going to see this knowledge base feature. This is one of the really incredible enhancements that GoHighLevel has rolled out recently that makes this an incredibly powerful tool for just about any type of business. I'll show you more about this here in just one second. But next, I want to share with you the bot goals, okay? Again, you can set up multiple bots with different goals, and you can see here, you can define the personality of the bot. You can say, this is what your intent is. You can also give it more guidelines about how you want it to respond to make sure that it's really got the personality and the language that the business would want. So you can say, see as an example here, we say avoid, hello, how can I assist you today? And instead say, hey there, how can I help you? So just a more informal response. And again, depending on the type of business that you're serving and their culture, you can really fine tune that. But then you can see down here, it's got these actions that you can set up the bot to take. You can say, we want you to help with appointment booking. You can trigger a workflow inside of GoHighLevel. You can update their CRM with contact information. You can do a human handover to somebody on their team. You can do automatic follow-up, transferring a bot when specific conditions have been met. So in other words, this is far from just a simple chat widget anymore. It's got incredible capability and value that you can add to any business. Now, it's critical to understand you don't have to set up all of these robust capabilities for that entry-level version of the chatbot. Again, we want to keep it simple to set up and deliver. And at $97 a month, you're delivering tremendous value just in the basic features of this. But you do have the ability to do more sophisticated things with this, which will allow you to upsell those recurring revenue services. You always want to grow that recurring revenue. And if you can get 100 customers at $97 a month, you're at $10,000 a month already. But if you can make that $197 or $297 a month, you are now getting to that $10,000 a month point much faster and growing your recurring revenue to a point where you can have a really nice lifestyle business really quickly. So if you decide to upsell to more complex chatbot services and to sell maybe to more complex businesses, you now have this knowledge base feature inside of GoHighLevel, which makes this chatbot a really powerful tool for those businesses. What a knowledge base is it's the information that that chatbot is pulling from and being trained on to make sure that it can give correct answers to the prospects and customers that are communicating with it. And you can set up multiple knowledge bases. You can see right here, you can just create new knowledge bases. So as I mentioned, you could have multiple bots. You could have a sales bot that's trained specifically on sales related questions. You could have a product bot that has all the information about all the different products that they have. You could have a customer service bot that helps with common issues related to support. And you can have any chat bot using one or multiple of those knowledge bases. So you can create some really powerful scenarios here. And then just to show you what a knowledge base is, you can see you can do this web crawler. So I can give it my website and say, crawl this website to collect all of the information about our business from the website so that you'll be able to use that in your training. But then I can also do things like set specific FAQ questions with specific answers in here. So I can just click on the button here and you can see that the answer has been trained for this bot so that you can make sure it's going to give the right answer that that business wants. And then coming soon here, you can see that they're going to give us the ability to upload tables of information. So you can imagine a business that's got lots of different product SKUs and specific descriptions and names of those products that you want to be able to upload it in an organized manner so that the bot can train and have access to all that information. That's going to be incredibly powerful for businesses that have lots of different types of products to sell. This service just creates really sticky long-term recurring revenue because of the value that you're providing combined with the price point that you're able to do it at. Customers don't want to cancel this service once it's set up. They're going to see all of the engagement and all of the opportunities that they're now capturing through this, the better service that they're now providing to their prospects and customers. This is not a service that you want to cancel. So this is long-term, sticky, recurring revenue, which makes it an incredible service to build your business on. So I absolutely love this AI chat service that you can offer with GoHighLevel. It's simple for the customer to understand the value proposition. It's a very, very attractive price point, which makes it very easy for you to sell. And having a service that you can sell with confidence and speed is incredibly important to get your business started or to take it to the next level. I also love it because you don't have to be a guru to deliver this service. You don't have to have any marketing experience at all. You can learn how to set this up for any business very quickly. We can help you with that training and give you some best practices to do it so that you can do it yourself, or you can also do like what we've done, which is build our team of wonderful help in the Philippines, and we give them our playbook and they can set these up for us. So you don't have to be a marketing expert to do this at all. It's a simple, high value service that you can generate recurring revenue with quickly, and you can grow that recurring revenue using the other AI capabilities of GoHighLevel. That means that you can have a really nice lifestyle business quickly that is based on automation, not based on time and talent. That's my favorite kind of business, and I hope that that's a business that I can help you build. If you'd like any more information about how we can help you and about our bonus for signing up for GoHighLevel through us or upgrading your GoHighLevel account through us, either way, you get all of our bonuses. You're gonna see a URL here down below. You can go check that out. And if you have any questions about anything in this video or about our bonus, please just leave them in the comments of this video and I respond to all of those personally. Thank you for tuning in. If you got value out of this and you could share it with somebody, that's fantastic. Please subscribe to my channel and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Take care.